and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the current affairs in English of the 21st and 22nd November 2022. So first of all, we will discuss about the questions that I have given in the last video. The question was, what symbol represents birth of Gautam Buddha? Option A is Bodh tree, option B lotus, option C is horse, option D is the wheel. So the birth of Gautam Buddha is represented by the lotus and bull. Lotus and bull represents the birth of Gautam Buddha. So correct answer is the option B is the correct answer. Here lotus is there, so correct answer will be lotus. Next, we will discuss about the national current affairs news. So, in the national current affairs news, first is the recently in Qatar, FIFA World Cup 2022 has been inaugurated, in which from India side, the Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankhar, has attended the FIFA World Cup inauguration ceremony in the Qatar. Next is the first Unani Medicine Regional Center of the Northeast is inaugurated in the Silchar, Assam. So, the first institute of Unani medicine in northeastern region will be inaugurated in the Silchar, that is located in the Assam. Next is the Maharashtra government has decided to double the pension of freedom fighters. So the Maharashtra government has decided to double the pension of the freedom fighters from 10,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees per month. The freedom fighter in Maharashtra, that is either it is India's freedom struggle or Marathwada Mukti Sangram or Goa Liberation Movement. All these freedom fighters will be benefited from this decision of the Maharashtra government. Next is the Shahjahanpur district of UP, that is at the top rank districts in the Jal Jeevan Mission. In the Jal Jeevan Mission, the top districts is the Shahjahanpur of the Uttar Pradesh. This districts has created history in providing the tap connections to the every household in the rural areas. Next is the India has launched the official website and theme of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO 2023. So the India will host the next SCO summit as a chairman of organization in the 2023, and the theme of the event of SCO is the for a secure SCO. The PM Narendra Modi has floated the concept of the secure at the SCO summit in China in 2018. So the theme of the event will be for a secure SCO. Next, we will discuss about the international news. In the international news, the Goldman Sachs has predicted the India GDP forecast for 2023 to the 5.9%. Previously, the Goldman Sachs had predicted the economic growth of the 6.9%, but now it has decreased up to 5.9%. So it has decreased the growth rate forecast for the India. Next, we will discuss about the important indexes that is published. So the Network Readiness Index 2022 has been published by the US-based Portulans Institute. This report is published by the US-based Portulans Institute, which is an independent and non-profit research and educational institute. This institute had publishes the Network Readiness Index 2022, in which the India rank is at the 61st rank. India is at the 61st rank. The rank of India is 61. Next, we will discuss about the awards related news. So, in the awards related news, in the International Film Festival of India 2022 is organizing in Goa. This 53rd International Film Festival is held in Goa, in which the Telugu superstar Chiranjeevi has or was honored with the Indian Film Personality of the Year 2022 award. Next is the National Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar is given by the Ministry of State for Education Subhas Sarkar, in which about 39 schools across the country has been awarded with the Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar for the 2021 and 22. Next is the JCB Prize for the Literature. This JCB Prize is given in the field of literature. So, for 2022, JCB Prize is given to the Khalid Javed. It is given to the Khalid Javed for the Paradise of Food. So, Khalid Javed has won the JCB Prize for Literature for the year 2022 for the Paradise of Food. Next is the Dalai Lama has honored with the Gandhi Mandela Award. This award, Gandhi Mandela Award, is presented by the Himachal Pradesh Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. So, Gandhi Mandela Award 2022 was awarded to the 14th Dalai Lama. Next, we will discuss about the appointment related news. So, in the appointment related news, the Arun Goel has been appointed as the Election Commissioner of India. So, Arun Goel has been appointed as the Election Commissioner of India. Next is we will discuss about the books launched. So, the name of the book is The World of Family History. This book is written by the Simon Sebag. So, the name of the book is The World A Family History, that is written by the Simon Sebag. Next, we will discuss about the important days celebrated. So, World Children's Day 2022 has been celebrated on 20th of November, and this day is celebrated to promote the international togetherness and awareness among the children as well as to improve their welfare. And the theme for the International Children's Day is inclusion for every child. The Indians in India Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November because on this day it is celebrated because it is the birth anniversary of the Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. But the World Children's Day is celebrated on the 20th of November. Next is the World Television Day 2022. It is celebrated on the 21st of the November. The World Television Day is celebrated on the 21st of the November, and it plays a very crucial role in the society as well as in an individual's life. Now, the television becomes the source of entertainment for every individual. Next is we will discuss about the sports related news. So, in the sports related news, in the Formula 1 racing, the Max Verstappen has won the Abu Dhabi Formula 1 Grand Prix. So, the Max Verstappen has won the Formula 1 Abu Dhabi race that is held in the United Arab Emirates. Next is the government has ready to set up 100 academies mainly to promote the archery among the tribal children. So, this is announced by the Union Minister for Tribal Affairs. Arjun Munda has announced that the government had decided to set up 100 archery academies across the country mainly to promote and nurture the talents among the tribal children. Next is the 22nd World Cup 2022 has been started in the Qatar. So, the FIFA 2022 World Cup was started in the Qatar on 20th of November, and it is the first time that an Arab country is hosting the football tournament. So, this is the current affairs of the 21st and 22nd November 2022. Next, in the last, we are giving one question. So today question is the which of the following is used in the pencils? Option A is the graphite, option B is the silicon, option C is the charcoal, option D is the phosphorus. So please give the correct answer in the comment section. So thanks for watching my video. If you are watching my video for the first time and if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel also.